I just finished this repurpose project. This is a clock that I made from some damaged electronics. I call this the Grunow Teledial clock. So the main pieces of this, the clock face there, and you can see the little things here. These are actually radio stations from back in the 1930s, and some of them are missing. But this was a damaged Grunow Teledial radio part that I just wanted to repurpose, and this was part of the chassis of that radio. You can see some of it back behind here too. All those were parts of that radio. But it's a 1937 Grunow Teledial radio dial. You can see it's a shortwave radio. It has Europe and broadcasts, made in the USA down there. Then I put in a battery operated clock motor there, fit it in there, and I kind of glued it in there. You can see the glue, and then tightened it, screwed it in there so it's firmly on there. Then kind of mounted it all on top of there. This piece here was from the clock motor clock, and it just fit perfectly on there. And I found a piece of glass, convex glass, that went on there, so that came out pretty good that way. The base here was from a damaged Pioneer PL-4 turntable, and you can see back here, I think it's on here, it says Pioneer right there. I screwed that, mounted it all into there, and it has some feet down here too. Put some feet from some piece of something, so it has four feet there. And I'll show you the radio. This is what the radio was. It was something like that, and it was totally rotted out, and it was all rusted inside. So I didn't. This is not the radio. This one's in pretty good shape, but just to see an example of the teledial that it came from. Anyway, so just wanted to. So I salvaged a beautiful piece of electronics from the 1930s, and now it's going to be a clock. And also repurposed the piece of a record player there. It's kind of cool with that pattern around the edge there. So just wanted to share that.